Good morning. Welcome to Rob and Maria Trading. Maria is not able to be with us today. Today's our first video where we're going to do our weekly trades in the 0DTE SPX. I'm a former attorney, now hedge fund manager, and Maria is a former banker, and she works with us. With me, we trade daily. In the SPX, we're going to trade about 122 trades this week per day, but I'm going to show you our top 5. Let's get right into it. Here's our spreadsheet, and you can see pretty easily what we're doing today. The top 5 trades are at noon. We're going to do a 20/40 exponential moving average trade with a $3 premium and a 90% stop loss. Then at 12:42, we're going to go in with $3 and $3.50 stop loss. That's going to be a put credit spread and a call credit spread. The same at 12:56, and at 13:03, you can see the stop losses. And finally, at 13:59, we're going to do another 20/40 EMA. Now, if you don't know what a put credit spread is or a call credit spread is, there's lots of videos. You need to learn what those are before you start spending your money. Also, this is not financial advice. This is just the top 5 trades that we're doing today. Remember, we're doing 122 trades today, so this is just a small part of our trading program. Everything you're going to do, if you follow us or do this, is done at your own risk. So quickly, let's take a look at the EMAs and how we set those up. Here is our chart. And the chart is going to show you the EMA. I've got the yellow line is the 20-minute moving average. The green line is the 40-minute moving average. And basically, we just look and see which one is above the other. As you can see right now, they're coming all right together. If they happen here together, you just pick one. But basically, what you're going to do is if the 20-minute moving average is above the 40, that means that the trend is up. So we're going to sell a put credit spread because if it goes up, the put credit spread wins. If the green is above the yellow, then we're going to sell a call credit spread for the same reason. That means the market's trending down and the call credit spread is going to win. So that's the basic way that you're going to do those. Let's go over to the Tasty Trade platform and I'll show you exactly how we put those on. So here we have the Tasty Trade platform and we're at the 0DT SPX. Let's pull this out. We said we were going to do a $3 trade. You can see I've already got one on this morning. And if you're going to, we normally would go 150 wide. Right now the yellow is above the green, so we're going to do it on the put side. We're going to look for $3. There is no $3. Note that I use a robot every day to do all these trades. Doing it manually is very risky. You open yourself up to mistakes and also a much slower ability to get in. If I would normally do this at the first nickel, or say 150 points out, it'd be right here. And you can see I'm going to be using $13,000 to $15,000 in buying power to make $250. We set a 90% stop loss. So we've set the stop loss here at $230. So that if you lost, you would lose 230. If you win, you win 250. Now, if you don't have that kind of buying power, and I've already got some comments from folks saying, how do we do it less buying power? What you do is just move in your long so that it's much closer to the short. And you see now, instead of making 250, you made $45, but you're only going to have 458 buying power in use. Now, if you're going to do the $3, put the $3 iron condors at 1242, 1256, 1303, and 1324, you're going to want to add in the call side. And so here we're going to look for a $3 short, and we're going to look then, you can put the long right here. Now your max profit on each side, the total is going to be 170, and you're still only using $330 in buying power. Normally we would take this down to the first nickel here. So we can go down both sides, something along these lines. So we'd be using $13,000 buying power, and we'd have a max profit of 535. So when the stop loss is 90%, you just set it for 90% of this. Obviously, if the stop loss is for 350% or whatever, then you're going to set it higher, just like we said in this spreadsheet. Again, just follow these if you choose to do this at your own risk. So that's it for today. That's hopefully going to be some help for you. If you'd like us to give you more information, just reach us out to us in the comments, or you can go to mariashoetrade.com and you can reach out to us there. Thanks a lot and have a great trading week.